So hello YouTube RVers, refugees. Just thought I'd show you our little restaurant we work in. Pretty nice, eh? Pizza oven, slave labor, all of our drinks and all that kind of cool stuff. Popcorn machine behind me. This is what we do all day. Here's our menu. Fridges, freezers, chips, coffee. And here's the star of the show. This is what everybody comes in for. Our ice cream. All kinds of good ice cream. Make our own waffle cones. Make shakes. Yummy. Anyway, kind of a rainy, cold, soggy day here in Hayward, KOA. First time I've seen with no people in the pool in a while. Gives us kind of a chance to get things cleaned up. Kind of a pretty place. Just thought I'd show you, just a glimpse. Give you a minute of what it's all about. We're just kind of hanging out in here, hoping that somebody's going to come by and eat a pizza or something. Here's what it looks like from our side. Like I say, here's our little pizza oven. We have a little grill over here where we do breakfast, pancakes, French toast, and all the other wonderful things that we do around here. Anyway, hope you're all enjoying your day. Look at this. Look at that ice cream. So that's Michigan Black Bear, Vanilla, Superman, strawberry cheesecake, cherry nut, hurricane, sherbet, and chocolate. And we make chocolate marshmallow malts. We make banana splits, all kinds of good stuff. Here's our cones we make. Right there, those are homemade cones. There's a little machine down there that makes them. Really cool deal. I should film that. You guys see how exciting that is. Anyway, you guys have a great day. You can see Darla's busy working. I'm playing. All right. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and watch Darla crash and fall. See, everyone thinks she's perfect, but she does screw up once in a while. All right, guys. We'll see you Wednesday night. Remember, we're going to have a live stream on Wednesday night, 7 o'clock our time here, 8 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock on the West Coast. So join us. Have some questions for us. We've been doing a lot on Economic Refugees Group. And I have motorhomes on there, different kinds of motorhomes and stuff every day. And actually some of them are selling, so that's a good sign. Anyway, if I put those on there, if you're interested, you got to move fast, because usually the ones I find are pretty good price and at a good unit. So, and I try to find stuff that would make a good full-time RV. So anyway, I'm going to get off of here. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.